I will show you how to make this text shine effect in Premiere Pro. So first, go to Effects and search Proc Amp and apply the effect to your text layer. Now in the toolbar, long press on the object mask and then select the pen mask tool. Now head over to the preview and then create this long rectangle shape. Now in Effects and Tools, drag the pen mask to the Proc Amp effect. To animate the mask, you need to enable the frame setting under preview. Now move the mask and position it to the left of the text and then move forward around 1 second and then drag the mask over the text to the other side. Now to get the shine effect, simply set the brightness value to around 80 and also increase the feather to smoothen out the shine effect. To further adjust the animation, expand transform and then select both position keyframes. Then right click temporal interpolation, ease in, right click again and select ease out. And by expanding position, you can adjust the speed graph even further. And you have now created this text shine effect. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.